सुनने में तो बहुत ही आसान लगता है, अरे ऐसे ही हो जाए, बहुत ऑथेंटिक लगता है। Hello everyone. Welcome to another brand new episode of Vlogmas 2024. So in this video, we will be discussing about the beginner's YouTube setup. Already I have written everything, like the 5 points that we will be discussing in today's video. Also, I will be sharing with you all what was my setup looks like and how it was when I initially started started filming my videos and started this YouTube journey. So if you want to know what it takes to build your setup for your videos, do carry on watching the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so in case if you want to start your YouTube journey and your YouTube channel, the 5 basic things that everyone, from whether you are a beginner or you are a pro athlete, you should maintain these 5 basic categories and 5 basic things to film your videos. So first should be the background. The next should be the proper lighting. The third is about a good quality video. The fourth is a good quality audio. And fifth, the skills, the editing skills that you need to learn. Now, these 5 things सुनने में तो बहुत ही आसान लगता है, अरे ऐसे ही हो जाएगा. But these are the things that need a quiet attention, your knowledge and skills that you need to develop over the period of time. So talking first about the background, which indeed if you are a beauty creator, in case you are making vlogs into vlogging or even gaming, anything you do, your background need to be really apt. Even if not apt, if you don't want to do much, take care of your background. If your budgets are very low, or if you think like you just want to see whether your passion lies here or not, you just can sit against a white wall, and that's how I started. So I started initially, this was my first video where I just sat against a white wall, because white wall, what it does, it reflects most of the light. So it's the best thing to start with. Sit against a white wall and start filming your videos. Depending on the type of content, also this background has to be changed. But yeah, it's not something as a beginner you do not really have to invest on your background or something like that. If you can, if your budgets are that high, do it. If you feel like willing, always you can. But as a beginner, how I started, I just sat against a white wall and started filming my video, and that is the easiest way you can achieve good decent frame for your videos to film. Now next, moving to the second thing is a proper lighting. Now lighting is a mandate thing while you are filming videos, irrespective of which genre you are in, which type of video you film, but it's like irrespective, you have to make sure that, see, if you are not visible, what's the point of you making the video? So lighting is the main thing ho jata hai. Now there can be 2 kinds of lighting that you can consider. First, the natural lighting. This video itself I am filming in the natural lighting. Natural lighting is the best thing for beauty creator, as well as this kind of sit down videos के लिए भी बिल्कुल decently चल जाता है. And so frame natural lighting is the thing. And next, if you have a budget, if you think like that you can afford proper lighting setups for your videos, you can consider this lighting, या फिर Codex का this lighting. They works really well. So till now, if I'm not filming on the natural light, I have my own ring lights to film my beauty videos. Else I always prefer doing in the most natural lighting possible. बहुत authentic लगता है videos. So I think the natural lighting best for me. And in case if you feel like you are going to college or you have work during your daytime and your only time to film videos is evening or nights for that matter, you can definitely consider ring light first. And when you get some budget, you can definitely consider this kind of lights. They work super well. बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चलने देता है कि it's natural light or what. Yeah, थोड़ा बहुत तो difference होता ही है, but it's a very good lighting setup for that matter, and it's also my dream to get hands on them as well. So for timing, I say, and also I started my videos. I used to film in the evening itself because सुबह से मेरा internship चलता था, मेरा college का classes भी चलता था, तो I used to only get time at the night and in the evening. So तभी मैंने ring light भी नहीं लिया. I just did it in the room का lighting होता है उसमें. Only thing that reflected is that I had a white wall. By the time I was in my another home, अभी मैं flat में हूँ फिलहाल, तो उधर just I sat against the white wall, and that did all the frame things and all the great reflecting part. The white wall took care about. So yeah, that's what I did, and it's a must thing you need to consider while filming your videos. So the third thing is about the video quality. Okay, so in 2020-24 we have so many great gadgets that video quality, अगर तुम ये 4 साल पहले की बात करते तो उतना मैटर नहीं करता था. Honestly, your content used to be the topmost priority, but today, standing in 2020-24, you need to maintain a good quality videos. People have access to so many gadgets at such affordable prices that you need to maintain. It's a kind of a mandate these days. Otherwise, people are not tend to watch videos which are not that great quality. 1080p is a standard one. Also, these days videos are coming at 4K, even more than that, so you need to maintain that. For that, I started with my camera itself. I bought my camera G7X Mark II. I told you about the hits and misses in this video in case you haven't seen. The quality maintenance should be a mandate one, and is मतलब क्या होता है ना, अभी 2020-24 में you get gadgets at such affordable prices, so you need to consider investing on a good camera, or for that matter you can invest on a good phone as well, because अभी क्या हो गया कि कैमरा का prices comes lesser than the phones. Okay, so I think initially if you want to make this sit down या फिर regular videos, proper videos, not the shorts I'm talking about or the reels, proper videos, definitely do consider buying a camera. That is everything, because when you buy a camera, के लिए वीडियो एडिट्स करना, it's a lot difficult and different skill that you need to have rather than editing on your phones. So अगर आप फोन पे, आईफोन पे या फिर किसी भी फोन पे अगर आप फिल्म कर रहे हो, so उसका एडिटिंग you get in the like phone itself. For example, iMovie, तो trimming and everything उसका different हो जाता. While you were editing on software for the camera footages, उसका editing बहुत different होता है. So for me, if you are a beginner and if you are doing like the sit down videos and long form of videos, do consider buying a camera. अभी तो कैमरा it's like 30 to 40K में बहुत ही decent vlogging कैमरा मिल जाता है. Also in case of some standard DSLR या फिर ASLR मिल जाता है, so you can definitely consider. Or if you feel like that you don't know whether your passion will like really fulfill or not, या फिर if you have a doubt, you can definitely borrow it from your friends. But my whole point of saying is that the third point which I mentioned is having a good quality video. It's a mandate thing in 2024. Okay, so moving to the third thing, which is about the audio quality. Now, to be honest, I have researched so much regarding this matter. Also, I feel like till date I am not at a great position to really tell you about the audio quality, because I feel like my audio quality also lacks in various areas. So definitely I do not have other option to really focus on this. The thing is that the videos which I film is on my camera. It's LG 7X Mark II. Now this camera has a little drawback. It does not have a external port. It has this inbuilt mic thing. Does not catch the voices really well, and it indeed does not have that muff ya fir puff that you attach over the mic. So because of that, it attracts a lot of external background noise. I try to eliminate all those background noises during my editing thing, but as I do not have a good software as well, so I could not. But yeah, if you are in 2020-24, you have to really take care of these things. Next year, whatever I have planned, if things goes well, you will definitely see my videos also has a great audio quality for that matter, because I am trying to upgrade my whole setup. I'm really trying to make budget to make my audio quality better. So I have searched, these are the options for the external mics. You can definitely see. Otherwise I will go for this camera, because it comes with a muff which helps to cancel out all the noises, background noises. Otherwise I will go for this mic that will help me to really elevate my audio quality for that. Okay, so the fifth point is about the editing. So while you are filming your videos, while you are making your videos, they get so much lengthy and so much sometimes you don't know what to really say, and you feel like while you're editing, you feel like अरे अगर इसको मैंने ऐसे बोला होता तो things could have been different. So these things you can only understand while editing your videos. So you have to understand this thing key, what things you have to really mention. So every time I sit for any kind of videos to film, I write down all the important points that I need to mention. Okay? So now editing is something the skill you have to develop through by editing your own videos, by looking while editing also you will be checking your setups. If you feel like कि हाँ this could be look something different, अगर इसका background ये हो change होके ये होता तो फिर और भी बहुत अच्छा होता. So when you film, you can see only like 70% of what it is going on, but like 50% of what it is going on, but the rest 50% is on the editor's hand. So you have to be very thoughtful how you are editing your videos. Otherwise आप ऐसे कर सकते हो कि बहुत ही लेंदी वाला वीडियो को भी यू कैन मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड बहुत ही शॉर्ट वीडियो को भी यू कैन मेक इट बोरिंग. सो दैट्स what editing does. Okay, so I'm just giving you a rough points ki agar you are considering to start your YouTube journey, or you want to make videos for YouTube, do consider as a mandate point while building up your setup ki साथ ही साथ आपको editing skill भी सीखना है, and you have to get a decent editing software. Okay, and I won't say कि आप बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स उठा लो, कभी इसमें एडिट करो कभी उसमें एडिट करो. नो, एज अ बिगिनर तुम एक जो भी तुमको एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यू फील लाइक डिसेंट, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड देयर फैसिलिटीज, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द ऑप्शन इट हैज. जो भी तुम्हें पसंद हो वो ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर यू डाउनलोड इट, यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग अ सॉफ्टवेयर इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. तुम्हें लगता होगा कि अगर किसी ने अगर ये नाम बोला या फिर डिफरेंट नाम बोला और तुम सब डाउनलोड तो कर लिए हो, लेकिन यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट. So just pick up your choice of software and start doing it. Start trimming it. आप इसको background noise को लेके कैसे eliminate कर सकते हो वो देखो. Start watching videos on YouTube, and अभी तो you get different videos on the YouTube platform itself where they teach you different software. So for me, I started my YouTube journey in 2020-21. Till date, I am using the same software, Wondershare Filmora. Although I have an experience of like 1.5 years in this platform, to be really honest. So मैंने 1 साल या फिर 2 साल maximum I invested my time on this software and it works pretty decent to me. And at this point of time, when I learned कि कैसे software को handle करना चाहिए, I believe that yes, this software does lack certain things. It does not work really great. So अभी जब when I understood कि yeah, it's a high time that I need to upgrade my software. Okay, so आपको पहले पता नहीं चलेगा कि ये सॉफ्टवेयर अच्छा है या नहीं है. Even the greatest software, if you can't handle it, will look like a trans video after all. So you need to understand it very well. मुझे बहुत सारे functionalities नहीं पता था Wondershare Filmora के बारे में. हाल ही में मैंने वो भी सीखा है. So now I can tell that yeah, I need to upgrade my software because it does lack certain areas. And yeah, that's about the editing skill. And next, about filming ideas and contents, how I film my videos, how I write my contents, and everything I want to share in this YouTube wala journey, where in this Vlogmas series itself I have planned like 5 videos related to YouTube stuff. This is the very first video for that matter. It's about the beginner setup YouTube in 2020-24, how you can upgrade and how you can start doing carry on with your journey. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.